guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the cabin. December the 21st, first day of winter and the shortest day of the year. Yeah, as you can see, the snow is gone, but we had a spell of wet, kind of mild weather, and yeah, washed away all the snow, and with it my dreams of a white Christmas. So I don't think there's going to be, well, you never know. It's still a few days left yet. 4 more days, anything can happen. Well, yeah, kind of. That's all right though. Been kind of a depressing week here anyway. On Tuesday, I lost somebody very, very close to me, and well, it's never a good time to lose someone really close, and this time of year, it's definitely, well, it takes the merry out of the season. But that's all right. Life goes on, and we got to keep moving ahead. We got no choice. Well, anyways, whatever. So let's enough of that. Let's carry on with the video. And oh, wait, what's that? What is that? Santa, you shouldn't have. Did Santa bring me a brand new snowblower? Sadly, the answer is no, he did not. This snowblower is actually, well, it's the result of a logging accident. You're like, what? Let me explain. So, a friend of mine, we had some bad wind here not long ago, and it you know, a lot of trees are blown over and snapped and stuff like that. As a matter of fact, I have one today I have to take down. It's a real doozy, so I'll show you that in a little bit. Stick around for that one. Anyways, he was felling some of these damaged trees, and you know, accidents happen very quickly. Logging is dangerous. You know, cutting trees down is dangerous work. And usually things happen very quickly, and yeah, there's not much you can do about it. So he was cutting one of these trees down, and it kicked back and caught him and smashed his hip. So yeah, he said it happened real fast. He said, but all I had time to think of is, this is going to hurt. And yeah, he's all bolted back together and had to get it all, you know, bolts and screws or whatever in his hip. And so short story is, he ain't doing much this winter. So I was down at his place, and I was helping him kind of get things ready for winter and winterize his place and stuff like that. He can't do anything, nothing. So he said to me, he knows I have that old snowblower. I think my snowblower is, there it is right there. That's my old snowblower. That thing is almost 50 years old. I think it's actually 47 years old. Still works and everything. It's good. It's a good working snowblower, but I mean, it is old. I rebuilt it a few years ago and breathed some new life into it. I hope to get another 20 years out of it. We'll see. But anyways, he said, oh, why don't you take my snowblower and take it up to your place, and at least you'll have it and you'll be able to use it to clear the road. You know, a new snowblower. Try it out. So I said, okay. You don't have to ask me twice. I said, I'll take it up. And so I got it here, and I'll try it this winter. Actually, kind of looking forward to trying it out this winter. I don't know. I think it's made in Canada. It doesn't really say, but I do see on it, it originally came from, looks like a place in Ontario, Farmer Equipment Sales in Shelburne, Ontario. So I believe that it's probably made in Canada. I'm guessing that because there's French on it as well, English and French. This one here is better than mine because of this right here. You see these these paddles on the fan, there's 4 of them on this one, and that's a lot better because my old one only has 3. I'll show you that in a second, but with 4, it can handle the heavier wet snow a lot better. This is definitely a better design, and I think they all come standard now. Any new snowblower will come with 4 paddles. So if we look over here at my old one, oldie but a goodie, you can see the fan on this one has only 3 paddles. So it's a lot more snow that the snowblower has to throw up and out the chute. So the ones with 4 paddles should handle the heavier snow a lot better. But the way things look right now, I don't know when I'm going to get to try it out, but I have it. Oh, don't worry, I'm sure it will snow, and it'll probably snow a lot too. Okay, here's my problem tree. So you can see it's this spruce right here, and it goes way up there, and it's hanging up. If we look at it from back here, you can see at about 8 feet up, it's split right there, and right up the center of the tree for about 4 feet, kind of twisted to the left. It probably would have twisted off, except, and if you can see it, right here, the top of that spruce tree got caught up on that one branch on this oak. So that's what's holding it. That's a nice sized tree, and you can see it's, you know, right over the road. So all right, I'm going to try to take this thing down. I think my plan of attack, since all the weight's over this way, I think I'm going to notch it over here and release it on the other side, and then I'm going to use the tractor, and I'm going to pull it off of the stump, and hopefully I can just pull it off and yeah, drop it down. Hopefully nice and safe. love it when a plan comes together. That was a nice sized tree, but I got it down safe. Now it's not a danger to me or the road this winter. All I got to do now is cut it up, and that's that. And that, my friends, is one of the reasons that I need a tractor out here. I just could not do that without a tractor. I know, some people say it's not a real cabin if you got a tractor. Honestly, I don't know what I would do without that tractor sometimes. Chores like this, there's just no other way to do it. You know, guys, I always wear safety equipment, and it's really important when you're working around trees, and if you're felling trees, you got to be safe. It takes a lot of concentration, you know, and you definitely need safety equipment. I always wear my safety helmet. You know, this thing saved my life one time. Years ago, I was cutting wood, and I was cutting this big yellow birch down. That was a big tree, and it had a big canopy on top. I always check for, you know, for widowmakers. Widowmakers are dead branches up in the tree canopy that can come down and whack you and yeah, take you out. They'll kill you, and that's why they're called widowmakers. And anyways, I looked. I didn't see anything. I did the notch, and I did the back cut to release the tree. And of course, I stepped back, you know, at an angle in a safe place, and as the tree started to fall, and as it did, this branch came down out of the canopy. I didn't even see it coming, and it hit me right square on top of the head. It flattened me right to the ground. I'll never forget it. At first I thought it broke my neck. Everything was numb, all my neck, my shoulders, and for a second there I was like, oh crap. I said, this is not good. And you know, I got up, and I was literally seeing stars. I could hardly stand up, and yeah, it hit me right square on top of the helmet. No question about it. This helmet saved my life. I mean, well, at the very least, it would have cracked my head open, big time. And you know, that's the danger when you're cutting down trees. So if anybody's watching this and you're cutting trees, and I see other YouTube videos. Yeah, people do not wear safety helmets, and they're cutting trees down, especially dead trees for firewood, like dead standing trees. Man, you're taking a chance, because you know, you don't know what the top of that tree is like. You don't know if it's soft or if it's going to break in half while the tree's falling over. And I'm telling you, if it hits you on the head, you're a goner. It's going to hurt. So I always wear a helmet. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I got a lot of work to do in cleaning up that old tree. Then that's it for Christmas. I'm gonna head out for Christmas and spend time with family and friends. And yeah, I want to wish every one of my subscribers and my viewers a very Merry Christmas. Have a great holiday. I will be back. I don't know when. I should be back before New Year's. I haven't made any concrete plans yet, but I could have a video out anytime. Stay tuned. If you're new, subscribe. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of that next video. Thanks again for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I appreciate that support. Leave some comments below. Love those as usual. Anyways, again, Merry Christmas. Have a good one, guys, and we'll see you soon back here at the cabin.